Papaya is a delicious and nutritious fruit that offers a range of health benefits. Here are 7 benefits of papaya. Rich in vitamin C, papaya is an excellent source of vitamin C, which is essential for boosting the immune system and promoting overall health. Digestive health, papaya contains enzymes like papain that aid in digestion and can help prevent constipation. Skin health, the high vitamin C and vitamin E content in papaya can help improve skin health, promote collagen production, and reduce signs of aging. Weight loss, papaya is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a great option for those looking to manage their weight. Eye health, the beta-carotene in papaya is beneficial for eye health and may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Anti-inflammatory properties, papaya contains several compounds that have anti-inflammatory